How to report profile on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can report profile on Facebook. First of all, you know the drill, update your application. For that, go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Facebook. Check whether the Facebook app needs to be updated or not. If you see update just like mine, then tap on update button and wait for the application to be updated. After the app is updated, click on the open button and log in into your Facebook account. Once logged into your Facebook account, it's going to direct you to the official web page. Right on this page, go ahead and select the particular profile which you actually want to report. After that, you'll be directed to the official page. Tap on the three dot icon next to their bio. After that, you'll be able to see page settings. Here, tap on report profile right on top. Select the reason for reporting a profile. Once again, you'll need to select, so go through the above statement and select it accordingly. Once you're done selecting it, you'll be able to see a statement such as the report has been successfully submitted. In this way, you can report a Facebook profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.